at the range today, getting set up to launch a empty beer keg by blasting it with tannerite. So here is the idea. We're going to take these two 35 Toyo tires that used to be on my truck. We're going to put a metal plate here. We're going to put the tannerite on top of the metal plate. We're going to put the keg on top of the tannerite. And see what happens when we blast it with something big. What we're thinking is that there's so much downforce created by a tannerite explosion that when it goes, these tires are just going to have some give and maybe even launch it even higher up into the clouds. Let's see. We're getting this set up right now.
2 pounds.
So we're mixing 2 pounds of tannerite. Is that right? 2 pounds?
Maybe we're going to try 2 at least.
At least 2. We can't go any more because we have to use that little container there. And he's going to fill the container, mix it up, and then we've got to put the container underneath this keg and balance the keg on here. It's going to look stupid, but I think it will be highly effective. And I think we're going to see a pretty good keg launch. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so here's how it looks. So it's filled with tannerite. So the idea is the downforce created by the blast will just kind of hit this plate, which will push down into the tires, which hopefully will push everything up and just really launch this keg up into the stratosphere. We're getting set up right now. I think we're going to blast it either with an AR-15 or a 30-06. He's about to shoot it with a 30-06. So you can see down there. The keg is balanced on that little plastic jar of tannerite. Anyway, I need to probably get closer. Okay. It blew the bottom out of the keg. Yeah, his days are numbered. So basically, this is the bottom of the keg. It was standing like that, and that tannerite just blew the whole bottom out of it. Yeah, it worked pretty good.